Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate about how to fetch current user, how to find all process running on a system, and how to kill any process or a process that is related to a specific user. To demonstrate this, I'll create a workflow using flowchart. I'll name it as find and kill process. I'll add some annotation. Find user name and all process running on a system and kill a process. Now first of all, I'll find out current user's name. For that, I'll use assign activity. To hold the name of current user, I'll create a variable. I will press Ctrl K and user. So this variable is created. Now I'll fetch name of current users by this syntax: system dot environment dot users name. This syntax will help us in finding current users. If required, we can try to print in output panel users. I'll execute this. So as you can see, name of current user Sahdev.Singh is printed in output section. Now I will try to find out all the process running on a system. For that, I'll use get process. Now I'll create a variable that will capture or that will hold all the process that this get process will return. I'll click over here and I'll press Ctrl K and I'll type name of my variable, that will be process list. Now we will use a for each activity to display name of all the process. We will change type argument for this for each to system.diagnostic.process. If you do not find this over here, you can browse for types and type process over here and choose this one, system.diagnostics.process. Now I'll double click on for each. Here I will type name of my variable, that is holding name of all the process list. Now I can write name of all the process to output panel. For that I'll use item dot process name dot toString. I'll execute this. As you can see in output section, name of all the processes that are running on this current system are displayed. Now suppose you want to kill any process or a process that is specific to a user. So we will try to put that filter condition by using if statement. We are already having username. I'll type user equal to my current user Sahdev.Singh, then end condition item dot process name. So as there are many processes, but I have one process over there that is by the name of Chrome. As my Chrome browser is opened, so I'll type process name equal to Chrome. Now I'll use a kill process activity to kill the process. Here as a parameter I can type name of my process either Chrome or item dot process name. Now this workflow is complete. Let me execute this. As you can see, earlier Chrome browser was opened over here, but now that is closed. Means that process is killed by our program. This is how we can fetch current username, find all process running on a system, and kill any process. With this, I will wind up this session. Please like this video and watch it again if you missed any of these steps.